Good day, my name is Miko Prodigo from BSHM 1A. Today I will demonstrate the room service sequence.
Hello, good morning, room service.
Hello sir, this is room service. How may I assist you for today?
I'd like to order breakfast meals. One lugaw and plain water, ice cold. Okay?
Yes sir, can I repeat your order sir? One plain lugaw and ice cold water. And your room number is number 26. By the way sir, can I confirm your name?
My name is Ian Babasa. I will wait your my order.
Thank you Mr. Ian. Your order will be delivered to your room in approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Have a pleasant morning. Meron din po akong nililista. Room service. Room service. Room service.
Please come in.
Hello sir, good morning.
Morning.
This is your order. One plain lugaw
Yes.
and ice cold water.
Yes. Thank you.
Mr. Ian, where do you want to place your order?
Here na lang. Here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. The way, Mr. Ian, I'll be back an hour, and can you call room service for clean the place,
Okay.
or can you leave it outside the door?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.